Okay, so this is another problem, right? In this problem, we've got some object, right, a 5 kilogram object. And we're trying to find the tension, which would be the upward force, right? And then this thing is accelerating, let's say up here at 6.2 meters per second, and then here let's figure it out for accelerating down, right? All that's going to do is make this acceleration either positive for up or negative for down, but we'll set this thing up. So 5.0 kilograms, right? The force down, if it's accelerating up, the force down is m times g, right? Weight is m times g. So 5 times 9.81 is 49.05 newtons, right? Is that right? Let's just check that. Let's check the calculator. It'd be sad to write something down, right? So we've got the unknown tension. We've got 49.05, right? So now we just set this thing up, right? We've got unknown force. I'll call it F just for fun. How about that? Instead of T, call it F. Tensions are just forces, right? Minus, this guy's negative, right? 49.05 equals 6, or no, it's 5 in this case, 5 kilograms times positive 6.2. Okay? That's what we mean. If it's accelerating up, that makes it up. Okay? So now we're set. We're going to go, that guy, I'm going to add this to both sides, so that plus 5 times 6.2, I get 80.05. Okay? And that's the force. So there's our answer there, right? And now what if it's accelerating down? Well, we'll set up the same thing. The only difference is that this will be a negative acceleration, right? So now we've got the tension, right? I'll call it just F, right? And we have the force of gravity, which is still going to be 49.05. Okay, this will be, you always make unknowns positive. Let's make the gravity negative, and then our F equals ma expression looks like F minus 49.05 is equal to, and our mass here is 5 kilograms, right? So 5 times, and then we'll make it negative 6.2, right? This is a downward acceleration. Okay? So now when I do this, I go 49.05. I add that to this side, so plus 5 times negative 6.2. And I get 18.05. Okay, that's this answer here. So when you're accelerating up, there's more tension. When you're accelerating down, there's less tension. In all cases, really, the tension boils down to the weight plus ma. Right? You can sort of simplify these if you solve enough of them. If you're accelerating down, then it's the weight minus ma is what it ends up being.